ang nawong. Guys, diri ang nawong sa tubangan. Uy, diri sa kanan. Now, align ka na. Pulo, kumpletuha ang pulo taga-grupo. Sige. Okay. Now, linya mo, linya according to your group. One line each group. Sige, forward. Kana. Wow. Sige. Mag-count off pa para makabalo kita. Pila. 1. Count off. Count off. Kompleto. Sige. Now, for our next game, paminaw. This is Tumbang Preso. Sayon na dyan kayo. One chance, one hit. Kinahanglan ninyo maigo ang lata na naa sa atubangan. Ready? Isa lang yung ka-chance ha? Wala na ilain. One hit, one chance. Sige. Now, good luck everyone! Mag-start na din nga line. Ready? Match na.
Coordinators, please be here now.
Ready? One chance na ha. Silaw. Makita na. Aya. Ready? Now guys, this is worth 50,000 ang premium. Palikamutin yun ninyo, ma-hit ninyo ang lata. Ready?
Before that, ladies and gentlemen, courtesy of our very hard-working governor, let's give a warm applause, Misamis Occidental's best, Governor Henry S. Laminang! Ladies and gentlemen, our very hard-working governor, once again, Governor Henry S. Laminang! Thank you so much, Go, for being with us this afternoon. Our Santa Claus this afternoon is Governor Waminal. Bihatag siyang additional cash prize for our games this afternoon. Go, thank you so much. 10,000 pesos! Okay, for this game, only one winner, courtesy of Governor Henry Waminal. The winner will receive 1,000 pesos.
Ready? One hit, one chance ha? Ready? 2 and 4, go! Next! Ipasa ang kuwan sa Linas. Yes! Next! Next! Uy! Tarungan ninyo kay may 1,000. Sayang. Next.
Okay, before we will continue, the very generous governor approached me. For this game, the winner will receive, paminaw sa, for this game, the winner will receive 5,000 pesos!
balik. Guys, everyone.
Okay, everyone. 4, 3, 2, go! Thank you so much once again. Only one winner. The winner will receive 5,000 pesos. Thank you, Gog. Additional 5,000 pesos. Ready?
Maika. Please no, assist sa dali. Dali sa ta. Now, ready? Yes? Now, sige. Tom, panaw sa kong off sa line kay Sino to kay Dili. Kani siya nga line, si off sa. Kay Dili.
One winner, 5,000 pesos from Governor Henry Waminal.
Go! Next! Wala siya natumba. Next! Okay. Teresa. Stand by, Teresa. Next line! Go! Next! Go! Next! Next!
Okay, this side.
Next line!
Once again, reminder to everyone, only one winner from Governor Henry Waminal. The winner will receive 5,000 pesos.
Go! Next! Next, go! Sige, kumang tayo tagal. Pas. Pasa rin sa libas. Go! Diretso na naman. Diretso na naman yung island station. Go! Next! Ready na next time. Okay, next! Double time, pas. Diretso na labay. Ay, naku na. Go next! Next!
Next.
Next! Sumpay din ang last group. Go! Sumpay na yun. Para sa last. Ready? Go! Next! 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 Okay, sunod! Next! Next!
Okay, dito aside.
Go! Next!
Next.
Abot. Next! Last two! Go!
Okay. We are down to the 4 last players. 4 finalists. One of you will have 5,000 pesos. Here we go. 4 players left. First, ready, go. Next. Okay, please be at this side.
Stand by.
Ato siya. Dali.
Dan, sit na ka. Dali na ka. Go!
Sige, chikas mo.
Go.
Kaya pili ka naman ikaw.
Last. Kung dili niya ni makuha, automatic ikaw na og 5,000 pesos. Ready? 4, 3, 2, go! There you go, congratulations! This time, please stay there. May I request our governor, please? Okay. This time, we have one winner. Dali, simultani ka ba eh?
Chilas lang.
What is your name?
Sa'yo nalo.
Drift? Okay. Unsa man ka nga grade level karon? Grade 8. Junior high school, where are you? What will you say to our beloved governor for the 5,000 pesos?
Very much.
Kusga yun.
Thank you so much, Governor Henry Robernard.
Congratulations from Governor Henry Waminal of Misamis Occidental. You win 5,000 pesos!
Congratulations.
Ito, doon sa Ligog, pasalamat. Dito na. Ito, shake hands Ligog, pasalamat yan to. Sige, Dol, pasalamat Ligog. Okay, next game. Sa mga dangko na punta, 5,000 pesos. Bado, where's the team?